tea, that what I do ya? Look how me buck up in a summer, my one-time friend them. Could them? How I do over here? Look how long me not see. How I do? Look how long me not see. No good. Everything alright? Alright? Yo, me glad to see you, know. The one-time friend them, I swear to God.
Yeah. Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Bless up to all of my long-time friend them in the morning. How no I do? You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time, y'all check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. We kind of have a lot to discuss today now, including Beenie Man was never in the hospital. People, may have proof. And we are going to talk about that later. But first, Bounty Killer, you know, Cross, Angry, Miserable, he are going to be on Hip Hop Awards on BET. Check this out. Me don't know if that's a good Bounty Killer impression. Anyway, check it out.
Hey yo, yellow, BET fam, you know it's Bounty Killer, and I'm reminding you not to miss the 2020 Hip Hop Awards. Hey yo, Tuesday the 27th of October. Hey yo, 9 p.m. 8 Central Time. Hey yo, not because outside closed, but we still home and turn up.
So Bounty Killer is not the only Jamaican artist or personality that will be repping. We will also see appearance by Beenie Man, Skip Marley, Coffee, Shenseea, and ZG Liquid. So people, as usual, you know says a good look right there, so good look for the culture and definitely a good look for brand Jamaica. So just let me know what you think about that in the comment section below and let we move on.
Over that side.
Springfield side, as a come across the house. Push back in the car, but the one mash up. About 2 weeks,
Jamaica train derails in Clarendon. A train owned by Bauxite Company, Jamaica, derailed on Monday, October the 26th, near Rainsbury in Clarendon. The crew was not injured. The train was en route to Harmons, Manchester to collect bauxite. It's understood that the track was compromised by the heavy rainfall, resulting in the train overturning. Well, I'm just glad that nobody never get hurt and we can move on. Boy, Mr. Nooks, I hope God really stand by your side because it don't look pretty. Anyway, still, George Nooks on cocaine charges. Jamaican artist George Nooks is facing cocaine and other criminal charges. Nooks, 59, was arrested by the narcotics police last Thursday and charged with possession of cocaine and attempting to pervert the course of justice. He pleaded not guilty in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday and was offered bail in the sum of $300,000. The latest charges are related to an incident in Ligani, St. Andrew in April last year. In that incident, Nooks allegedly tossed a plastic bag containing white powdery substance to the ground as he was being approached by cops conducting a narcotics operation. The cops reportedly retrieved the bag and took him into custody. The police said the entertainer was searched and a small bottle containing a clear liquid substance was also seized. It's alleged that while being processed at the narcotics police headquarters, Nooks grabbed the plastic bag, swallowed the substance, and spat out the plastic. Investigators say the plastic was retrieved and the entertainer was transported to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was treated and blood samples taken. He was released from custody while the investigations continued. The plastic that he spat out, the bottle with the liquid, and his blood sample were sent to the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine for analysis. After the results were obtained, a case file was submitted to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, which ruled that criminal charges be filed against the entertainer. As a part of his bail condition, Nooks was ordered to report to the Matilda's Corner police station on Mondays between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. He is scheduled to return to court on January 13 next year. In May last year, he was acquitted of cocaine-related charges. So enough people see that article and get confused, and me have to admit I was a bit confused, and then me have to do some research. So now in 2017, Judge Nooks was caught with cocaine allegedly. That trial ended in May of last year. Now this is how people get mixed up with it. There's nowhere in the article it said that these are new cocaine charges. Well, it actually said the attempt to pervert the course of justice, that's a new charge, but it's not a new cocaine charge. You see me? And then it's still kind of confused because some other article that I read kind of say otherwise. But when I take a look at Loop News, their headline was Judge Nooks arrested again on cocaine charges stemming from 2019 case. But put for that joke aside still, I think this man need help. Me no feel like said jail time are the right thing for him right now. Me feel like he need reform and something like that. Anyway, more wanna tell me what you think in the comment section below. And before I go, I have one comment from Devin the Doctor who I want to read out. And it goes, brother, if them put you away for 10 years, me no think you can full up stadium when you forward back, you know. You better let it cook here. Anyway, make we move on. Shenseea's son, Rojaro, got signed by Chubby.
My baby got signed to Chubby. Congrats, Raj.
So at the time of doing this report, I don't have a lot of information. All we know, him get signed. Chubby post him up on their official page. He posted on his Instagram, and there is his mom talking about it as well. Well, it's a good look for Rojaro, you know, it's a little youth and them thing there. Him a do him thing. Big up yourself. So earlier in the report, I stated that Beenie Man is going to be on the Hip Hop Awards, the BET Hip Hop Awards. So Beenie Man, go ahead and post that photograph on his official Instagram. So this would have been the first post made to his official Instagram since the incident on Saturday where he fainted at his mother's funeral. So a lot of people, you know, I go in the comment section and say blessings and hope you're good and hope you're alright. This one person comment and said, hope you are feeling better. And Beenie Man replied and said, trying. So I would think Beenie Man is okay, you know, not serious, because tonight at the award, and if he never alright, he would have performed tonight at the awards. You see me? And I think it's gonna be a virtual award. So me think Beenie Man good, and even yesterday a fan spotted Beenie Man and tagged Disha Ravers in it, or send it to Disha Ravers. Anyway, Disha Ravers reposted that on her Instagram stories. So in the photograph, you can see Disha Ravers and what appears to be Beenie Man, like them a go about them regular business, and a fan just spot them. And she even made reference to Beenie Man being in the hospital. She posts a screenshot of what appears to be some article on the internet. The article stated, from what I'm seeing, Beenie Man hospitalized after fainting at mother's funeral. So she commented and said, hey, on a bad still, nah lie. So I guess Beenie Man was never taken to the hospital. I guess Beenie Man did just grieve over her mother, and him just, you know, just faint. Because it kind of rough to lose a mother, you know. Me never lose a mother yet. Because me still have my mom. To God be the glory. Still have both parents. So I don't know what it feel like to lose a parent. But based on the comment and how people react on them, think them more than most expect say it rough. Because I can't even think about losing none of my parents right now. So we're glad for say the king good and him back up and all. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.